have been doing Wellcure things since last July. So I have, understood a couple of things and trying to read also the books you suggested and all. So I'm trying to have a one meal diet. And in this detox, actually I eat for one meal only. I didn't eat in the evening, only raw juices and some fruits. And actually, the energy levels are high. I could never think that I will get up at 6. I am like not at all an early riser. So if we take one step ahead, the nature actually takes 100 steps for us to make us feel better. Sleeping at 10:30 was impossible. Like I could never sleep at 10:30, but then now I'm sleeping at 10:30.
Yeah.
So with this program, actually what you taught, I told myself that let us do this, एक साल हो गया, थोड़ा करते हैं. And really, it was like wonderful. So thank you, thank you so much. And I have lost almost 3 to 4 kgs. And like you told me, you explained that, this is the way to live. And I will tell everybody, at least we should take one step ahead. Thoda mehnat hai, thoda difficult hai, but it's not impossible. And then nature will, and then everybody in the family also. Just say you remember you told me that, at least have 1 grain. So this was 1 grain. हम लोग बचपन से 2-3 रोटी और चावल, कब छोटे बच्चे पे like 5-6 years. And it was never like it's only in week, in a once or twice in a week. कभी ऐसा हुआ कि हम चावल दोनों चीजें नहीं बनेंगी. And imagine, this is a very big win for me. One grain.
Yeah.
So those kind of habits which are like ingrained, बोलते ना engrave करा हुआ था सारी चीजें, but then those also I'm able to quit. So thank you so much.